Look how slanted this ground is. The bubble is all the way on this side, so that means this end is higher than that end. Which probably explains why MARDUK looks tilted. Poor old girl. But at least I have this wheel fixed, so now when it goes backwards, this doesn't hyperextend all out of the way and do some crazy stuff. Yes, I'm not sure what it's going to do when I actually try to steer it, because this is already bent as far as it can. But that is something I will do tomorrow, and you can see I moved the mech away from the muddy area. So that means I'll have some nice dry ground to maybe do a little running around on, and won't get stuck, because you can see underneath this board it did get stuck when I was moving it. It was horrible. But now a little bit of space to go around a bit, maybe try to avoid this big muddy hole. So yeah, that's it for this little short update vid. I finally managed to discover that the ground here is indeed slanted. So if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.